All right, so back on this loose leaf video. So Kristen, I'm doing. All right, let me step out here and tell you what I'm doing.
You found it?
All right. So anyway, Kristen, not about to tell you what I'm doing. A loose leaf video.
Oh, boy, it's hot out here.
Yes.
Oh, go, go.
We don't know how long them two. And Kristen, what's the matter with you today? You got bad noise. You got bad noise.
Really hungry.
I'm hungry too.
You got money?
No, do you have money?
Yeah.
No.
How are you gonna get to this?
I don't know.
4 minutes long. 4 minutes.
Oh, who's this? Who are you?
Kevin.
Kevin. All right. All right. So you're on the Loose Leaf Domino 7 show. Okay. Well, this is the family video. Well. Well, let me stop this tape.